Hey, just wanted to show you we're going to pass through the Air Force Base here, and there's a whole bunch of planes here on the right. I don't know if you were able to see those. I think we'll be able to see a little more when we get down here. But these are all the planes that are in mothballs. And we're actually driving kind of right through the base here. It's on both sides of us. That's Davis-Monthan Air Force Base. You can see the fencing up on both sides of the hillsides here, the embankments. Planes over here. If you can see them, they're in like mothball conditions. The windows are all covered and they're all sealed up. Here's some more down here. They've got hundreds and hundreds of planes in mothball condition here, ready to be able to be restored and used if necessary. I believe those are C-130s there. Might be wrong, but I think that's what they are. Well, and that's that. And actually there's a whole lot more planes than that are in that kind of boneyard there. Alrighty, talk to you later.